Hey everyone, today I've got a super easy and fresh spring nail design you're gonna love. Let's get started. Applying a white base, then blending in a cream polish from the top using an ombre brush. Drawing a thin branch with black gel. Rubbing gold chrome powder onto the branch. Applying a matte top coat so the watercolor design stays in place. Time to paint some soft flowers with watercolor, and I'm using a dry brush to blend and control the look. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. Adding a few leaves to finish off the floral vibe. Sealing the design with a glossy top coat for a clean, shiny finish, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.